So this is from Car Buzz, and this is the highest mileage Toyota in the whole wide world. So article by Lou Cataldo. This was published in December, but I just saw it. So let's see. Achieving a mileage record is an accomplishment for any car enthusiast, the mark of a dedicated, careful owner who treats their car to all the maintenance it needs and then some. Many high mileage stories are deeply personal narratives as well. Cars that live with their owners for decades, sometimes an entire lifetime, and accompany them through all of life's journeys. Oh, I like the way he wrote that. That reminds me and my Camry. That's a good, I like this author. All right. So he's talking about Toyota having a reputation for long lasting, reliable vehicles. The the Toyota with the highest mileage is not a car, but a Tacoma pickup truck. Let's look at the story and some other notable Toyotas with high mileage numbers on the odometer. Du-du. These highest mileage articles are based on confirmed information from sources. We accept the fact that there might be models with even higher mileage out there, but we simply don't know about them. If you have one, please share it. All right. So the Mighty Taco. This is Taco Tuesday, everybody. This Taco Friday. All right. The Tacoma, fast approaching its 30th birthday, being introduced in early 1995 with a development phase that lasted 6 years. Yeah, well, it usually lasts about 5 years. Maybe this one a little bit longer. It was created as a replacement for the unimaginatively named Toyota pickup, known outside the US as the Helix. Yeah, they love those Helixes down in Australia. They got a lot of those in Australia. So yeah, there it is. The Mighty Taco. Man, my friend Dominic loved his Toyota Tacoma till the frame rotted out. All right, well, let's hear about this one. Du-du. I want to hear about the record holder. Here we go. The mileage that holds the crown of highest mileage Toyota is a 2008 Tacoma from the model second generation. Over the course of 16 years, the Tacoma accumulated 1,625,000 miles. Oh my gosh. That is a lot of miles, you guys. It's over 1.5 million miles. So the owner is someone named Mike Neal. He bought the truck at the Fred Anderson Toyota dealership in Raleigh, North Carolina. And this Toyota has the 2.7-liter 2TR four-cylinder engine and configured in the extended access cab layout. So he used the truck to deliver medical supplies. Oh, yeah. A vital task that tested the truck's reliability and helped Miles pile on over the years. Yeah, see, when people get these high mileages, like they have jobs where the car is what they're using to work. So I know the high mileage Tundra was somebody that worked for an oil company and they delivered oil parts around the country. They call them Wildcatter, I believe. Is that what they call them? I don't know, but delivering stuff. So yeah, medicals. So he's delivering medical supplies. Mhm. So he kept meticulous notes detailing his trips and the distance he's traveled each day since the odometer stopped at 999,999. Yeah. The written notes have proven invaluable to determining the truck's true mileage and its status as a record holder. He also displayed the truck's current mileage through stickers on the tailgate starting at 670,000 miles. Wow. The 2.7 liter 6-speed automatic transmission. So let's talk about his maintenance schedule. Neil kept looking after the Tacoma, swapping out major components as he went along. The first engine lasted 880,000 miles when it eventually needed swapping out. It was replaced by an engine with 100,000. Oh, you guys, I didn't know this. No, I don't think this is the. I don't count this as the official highest mileage Toyota. If you swapped out the engine at 880,000 miles, that's it. That's your highest mileage. No, I call a foul on the play, people. I'm calling a foul on this play. Once you replace the engine, that's it. The experiment's over. Maybe so the transmission lasted 1.3 million miles. All right. Well, that's pretty good for the transmission. I would say I would only count this as the highest mileage transmission because the Toyota Tundra with the million miles, the one that I saw when I used to work there, had about a million miles on the original engine and trans. That's it. No, once you swap out the engine or trans, it's over. No, I don't count this as the world's highest Toyota. I'm officially saying that. What do you guys think in the comments? What do you guys think? I think this is not the record. Nope. All right. The second longest mileage of any Toyota vehicle belongs to. No, this is the first highest mileage. This is a truck owned by Victor Shepard. He accumulated a million miles on the Tundra over the course of around 9 years, all with the original engine and transmission. See, people, this is number one. The Tundra is still number one. This the one I saw. He was, yeah, he returned the truck to Toyota as the company was interested in inspecting it to see how the truck's components were handling the high mileage. Yeah, yeah, this the one I saw. I was under this vehicle and it was in good shape. I think there was a little bit of a trans leak, but not major. And let's see, the seat was worn out on one side, and the bed was all dented up. I think that's just because there was a bunch of parts back there. But other than that, it was very clean. I've seen cars with 80,000 miles that were not as clean as this one. I think that's so cool that I got to see this. But yeah, there he is. And you, sir, you are still the record holder as far as I know. This Tacoma they're talking about was not original engine and trans. It's over. So his stopped at six figures. All the 2007 Tundra's mechanical components were still functioning well with minimal amounts of wear and tear that I can confirm with my own two eyeballs. This was particularly impressive considering the Tundra's miles were not accumulated while being driven as a car replacement daily commuter, but as a true workhorse carrying heavy loads in the gas and oil industry, as I mentioned to you guys earlier. That was the 4.7 liter V8. So that one's a little bit less powerful than the 5.7, but I would take the 4.7 over the 5.7, as long as you're not towing like towing a 10,000-pound trailer every day. I would rather have the 4.7 than the 5.7, but they're both very good though. I think that this guy, they gave him a 5.7, and I think he's got it up to about like 8 or 9 hundred thousand. He's got it up to very high mileage already. So let's see. When did I see this vehicle? Back in 2017, I believe. So if he's still driving, that's about 8 years ago. So yeah, he might have it up to about 8 or 900,000 now. Yeah, so he might get another million mile. Tundra. Yeah. And let's see the new one, the new twin turbo V6. Somebody got it up to 200,000 miles. And that was without the warranty. He's got the original engine in it, and he's got it up to 200,000. So yeah, maybe the newer engine is not as bad as it when it first came out. It's not looking good. I ain't gonna lie, but maybe that one's not so bad either. I know it's harder to work on. I know that, but we'll see. We'll see. But yeah, this one I don't count it. Replace the engine. The experiment's over. Like on my Toyota Camry, I got it to 278,000, and I've been driving it more now. So, if the engine or transmission blows, like, that's it. I'm just gonna take it to the junkyard or something because it's over. It's over. The experiment's over. We're trying to get to the highest mileage with the original engine and transmission. Anything less is not acceptable.